Yes, good morning my people, good morning. Bright sunny morning, you know. Bright sunny morning. I see big top and pushing out and everything already. Yeah, big top on our turn. So might have some action even though it's not top and I come here to catch still. Yeah, so as you can see, the man was not fishing Jamaica for years. We have not fished on this bridge in years. We have not fished together in years. Easier now, pulling up. G-Wayne himself. Look at the man. Look at the man, man. Welcome back, my brother.
Yeah, man. No problem, man. No problem.
So you're here today, sir?
Yeah, me here for
and you left that thing, when you left here, you know, something, you left a good thing going on, you know.
Yes,
so if you come back to continue.
Yes, man. I hope. I pray to God.
Alright, just hold a park and come now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, man. See there?
It's a long while.
Years. People want to see an action, man. A little tap on. So a little tap on, people. I want in, but you know where I go. See there? I have nothing I can. See, I want to catch two. See there? Two, excuse me, get that one tonight. See there, two small top and I catch one time, watch it. Look there. Look at that, two small top on. See one is, look. Yeah, come hold the rod and let me just take out the net.
So you paint out the water?
Yeah. Not to the car, but the net need a stone. So, alright, let me see. This is supposed to be on the inside of this part here, so. Yeah. Whoa, how does it look, so? It's not look right. Okay. This is how it's supposed to go. Long time this not using now. So come for that one here. Can come.
That is it.
Alright, so once seeing that
is it.
People myself so they can't see it better, but
yeah.
You know, we don't have a videographer right now. So this is one. That is one. You come out. Just get him out. Alright, move with the net. Sorry. Going down here for the other one. Going down here for the other one. Two hook up one time. So this one here, you can get hooked bad. Blood that come out time, so you know that go. Can't come now. Can't up.
Can't up. You have to go underneath. Go underneath.
Yeah, but you have to carry the fish to the net now. You now hang with the tip of your rod, go to carry the fish to the net. Alright, tell you what, let me choke the net a little bit out. See there? You can't do no better than now. Come, don't do that.
I'm walking there.
You prefer to do that?
Yeah, man.
Alright, come now, get out. No. Go under. See there now, you're not on this now.
Go wrong.
Alright, come, go on. Alright, he's saying prefer to walk it, so he can go on. It's gonna be a simple take up still.
Jack. Oh. Net.
Mine, come on, sir.
You see my ticket? Yeah, man, I want Jack.
Jack.
Yeah, man, go for it.
See there? People, 2 fish one time, you know. Snook and Jack. See them here, sir.
Oh, Mr. Why I go one of them have a lick it down?
Yeah, no. 2 fish one time. Long time when I see them or something going on, you know. Well, yes, it happened this morning. Come, take up the snook first.
Take up the snook first.
Take up the snook first.
Jack, nice.
See the 2 of them, the people. See the 2 of them there. 2 of them that. Yeah, I want take up the 2 of them one time, you know. So the one that going out afterwards, you know.
Look at that first.
So come up. Up.
You should take up the good one first.
Yeah, take him up, come. No one foolishness got him.
What's that snook that?
Yeah, nice size snook. Come, come, go on with that dust. So the two fish they pick up one time, my friend. 2 fish. See this snook here? See this snook here? I see the jack there take up right now. Think, yeah man, good. Good. This is a good kid.
Don't hear that. What? I was on the floor again.
Come. Take the 2 fish them same time. Take the picture, please.
That's why you can't get a year on that.
Jack don't get to say circle. Come, check up this one. Check out this one.
Well done.
Sit here. 2 fish, one time.
We are with them?
Yes, even though you get time to catch one, it doesn't matter.
No
2
matter.
fish them a feed one.
Want me go feed?
Good, my brother. Good. Alright, people. Sit here now. Tap on.
Tap on that, you see?
Come.
Tap on that.
Alright? Don't stop him.
Can't stop that line there. The king line that.
Let me strike him, keep burning.
I'm going to say tap on, let me strike him. Hold on, do this. Hey, it's one.
Jack, don't lose. Wait. That's so look.
Yeah, man.
So look, wind it.
Jesus, what happened?
You feel like?
Alright, so this man fly down just to kill fish in the people. Fly down just to kill fish. There it is. You get where? Come on, man.
No sign, come in.
Oh, come in. Can't get strike good enough, so let's post on this way.
Oi.
Look at that, Matthew. Look at that. This is one of the best sound you can ever hear. No one, anybody can prove wrong with something else. Which other sound better than that?
Stop him now. I make him run.
Make him go on. Come on, we make fish go, you know.
We have enough room, man. King go on.
Don't even cool him down, man. Don't cool him down or anything. Make him go on. Don't stop him.
You don't want him coming there so green.
Exactly.
You want to make him still this until it's tired. Don't bring him in too quick, you know.
Feel like a weakish now. Take him to
Don't need to take up nothing. Make him go on. Alright, sorry here people, I try to get the handle on the camera.
That definitely
So my finger don't get in the way.
I know all the one is enough.
No.
That definitely I know turn back. Turn back, but that stop already. And then shoot again. Him just turn back, but that stop already.
Give him, I want to give him a good fight.
Yeah, man. Oh, yes, sir.
This is what I win for
Years, eh?
for years.
Yes, sir.
See that?
Wow.
See that?
Wow. Wow, look at that, people.
What's up with him? No, no. Straighten up with him. Nah, man, I'm straight up. I can go on, man.
Look at that, look at that, look at this people. Look at that. Alright, you can put a little turn on the jug now if you want. Don't worry yourself about it, but you fight the fish and you worry about run. Let me see people, you can know when at first the fish is good enough. And you see the grimace on the first person's face, but you don't start struggling yet. You don't start struggling yet. You don't start struggling yet. Yeah man, this man used to kill some crazy fish out here.
Problem. One thing the on top of the water and it is not flicking, kind of tired-ish.
Okay, you don't even want to fight him so hard, you know? You don't even want to fight him so hard.
And I just say you want to teach, you want to see the red bend over.
Yeah.
Till they hear like it have that.
Exactly. You have him right where you want him, down this side. Good.
So run today, you know, when I run out of bait.
Eh? This side, man. This side you want him. Yes, well, he's going that way, yes, so you have to go down some more, yes. Yeah, man, go down that side.
Take in some of the
Take in some of the line, don't give the slack, don't give the slack. I'll go off the some of the side there. Nice, nice. He's going again, people. He's going again. This fish is not yet ready. Oh, and that's where he got away. That's where he got away, people, right there.
Aye, aye, aye.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Lead line.
The cable, no, sir. I don't come off.
Ah.
They can't get it, I can't get it again. They can't get it again.
Butter? No. No butter.
Alright, the reeler finally get brandish. Yeah.
Where did I get
Where
that?
met there?
Did I get that challenge next? Jam up?
Yeah, man. It's a... Adam little signal one can pick up. You want to feel how they feel? Wow, weird. It's a little fighter. Nice. Where's the net? Where's the net? Trust me, I don't like fight them small ones still. Sometimes you want a little competition for real, yes. Waiting on the net here, people, waiting on the net. And look one here don't even walk them.
Like a baby, see me?
This is a baby, man. Come, let it down, man.
Just look, them would have never jump on you.
Yeah, I tell you, I pay top on.
Come here and stop your foolishness.
Oh, no.
Wild.
Alright.
Baby, my weight.
Baby, that's a baby.
My weight to come up with.
That's a baby.
Yeah, we know. My weight to come up with.
Thank you. Small.
Perfect. Exchange the door and give her date and text me. Just like that. See that?
This is one.
Morning.
People, this is one happy man right now, you know, man. Just say.
Good morning, brother. So you ever catch the run the few right? Me a slide.
Yeah, what's the slide, man? Half a bread better than nothing.
That is true. Man in the overall. This is the man in the overall, people. Don't know his name. Man in the... What? That's a nice yellow white, brother. Nice yellow white. Hold on.
And this one don't go in the water.
How many years?
2 years and
Wow.
first day after Corona to come catch a fish.
That.
Don't even know the name of this one.
We call it yellow white.
Yellow white. Okay.
Trust me, it's a very good eating fish. I can tell you. You're going to be surprised to how meaty that fish is. Believe me, as flat as... People, look here. I can't even hold a good fish. I want to show you now the fish is flat. But I can tell you the bone flat doesn't seem because I'm mainly meat. See, look how flat the fish is. Look how narrow. Look at that. Look at it. It's all like the razor. But I can tell you it is meaty, fleshy, nice. What? Nice, brother. Yes, people. But it was a good day. I'm not going to say this was a bad day. It was a good day because I guess I don't know. 3 tarpon. Yeah, 4 tarpon. 3 tarpon get catch. 1 got away. Yeah. Little small snook and so. But I just say we pack up basically done and I go home now. And something, so.
Coming back for them mad tomorrow.
Alright, so
Just like that.
that's how I go. We never give up, you know. Never give up.
And then,
Because once there is a bait, you stand a chance.
but viewers, the big thing about the day, 1-year-old man. Look at him.
See here. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, man. Big
Good
up.
to see you again after what? After almost
After
3
3
years. Mercy, you just come back out and you come back out and catch a nice little, yellow white.
Yeah,
So I go.
Well, at
Alright,
least you never
people.
come in vain.
Thank you very much for the support as usual, you know. Packing up to leave this.
Yeah, man, that is it.
And so I go.
That is it, people. That is it.
Yeah, man.
Here again, out.
Safe journey home, my brother.
Yes, man. Just like that.
Alright. Me I leave sharply after you, you know. You don't let go.